Afternoon, family. Ham's Law. Assalamu alaikum. It's January 23rd. Uh, about 2 o'clock. Just got finished cleaning out my flying section. This is the, see they scattered feed on the ground. So this is my, this was supposed to be just for the old birds that I didn't want to fly, and all the young birds that from 2022 that made it back home finally. But I think I wound up finishing the season with 9 birds. I raced just the first 100-mile race, and I put 31 in. I got 1 back that day, which is actually that one. And then the other 9 came back over the course of 3 weeks. All of them full. All right, we're going in. That little right. This is the flying one. This is my 2023 flying coop. Flying section. That's my first bird, bird 501. Fully feathered. See if I can grab one. Okay. He has been eating on his own. Let's see if I can throw this. Alright, so he's feathered enough, he can jump around, he can fly. This section over here, I just got the water and the feed. And I'll put some more birds over here. I got a couple of adult birds that'll come over here that'll help them learn how to eat better. But so he's over here, or he or she's over here. I'll leave the hay on the other side so that when I have most of them in here, the newer birds, they'll be able to huddle up, stay warm. I'll be able to change out the water and the feed from this side. All right, let's see what we got. The one bird that made a nest on the floor. It's got 3. Quite sure it's got 3 eggs still in there. Got this white bird. I know it's laying on eggs. And its mate, that cockbird right there. And the only other ones that made a nest, and a little bitty guy right there. That one, parents, that dog chick right there, and the bird that made it home by itself up in the corner over there. So hopefully the other ones will make a nest somewhere. Okay, I'm on band number 547. So I started out with 501. So I got 46 birds banned, but that's not necessarily true because one bird band came off his ankle. I had to put another band on him, and that band was the bird that passed away. But let's take a look in here a little bit. Probably can't see. Up at the top, 2 young birds. 2 young birds. First round, I moved them off the floor that was in that corner. And I put them in there. They already sitting on eggs, so I opened up the coop. I opened up the door. I meant to take that down. This is one with the Trenton, my Trenton bird. And that hen right there. Next one got, it's a little shitty in here, but you know, when you give them pellets, they gonna shit. Got the 2 right there. This one nest was down there. We made a second nest up there. The cock, right there, cockbird is in there. Got 3 on the bottom. Well, 1, 2, yeah. It's 3 on the bottom. Somebody jumped out the nest and hanging out down there, so I ain't worrying about it. As long as they feeding them. Put a nest box in there for 2 bowls. 1 baby there, 1 baby there. Parents made a nest out there. 3 eggs. We can throw those away. It's cold as can be. So let me just put them to the side. We're not gonna even bother leaving them in there. I've seen the parents in there, but they obviously ain't sitting on them. All right, see, baby right there. Egg, empty nest bowl. It's ridiculous. Okay, this is the one that the 501 came out of. That's a black cock. And at the bottom is 2 babies. And of course, an egg right here and not in there. You know it. Right, with the silver right there with the late 2 babies. The other 2 babies that was right there ran inside the little nest box. So they got the nest over here and then two babies over there. Let's see if we can see what else we got in here. Got 2 in there. The door is open, so for them to lay on the other side. Well, I guess you can look at them. His brother, her brother. Almost fully feathered. Be out of here in about probably this weekend. Okay, this one. 2 eggs, 2 babies. Ridiculous. I'll tell you. See about this one? Yep, 1 right there. Two right there. And at the bottom, let's see if we can see in there. Of course, 2 reds sitting there minding their own business. All right, 2 babies there. Quite sure I got these already banded back here. 2 back there. 2 right there. 1 right there. It just laid. They laid. Two babies right there. And my splashes, 2 right there. Like I said, there's 2 more up there. And got the, most of them are already completely done sets. These are those 2. Those 2. All right, let's get out of here. All right, family, it's a 2023 update. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Hope everybody's having a good breeding season. All right, peace. Shouts out to all the flyers.